welcome back to my channel, and today I have 3 Dollar Tree crafts that I'll be making for you today. These crafts are super easy, super affordable, and I'm using all the supplies from the Dollar Tree with bits and pieces from around my home. So if you don't have these bits and pieces in your home, eventually if you keep crafting, you accumulate a lot of these things, and some of these things you can find in smaller bottles and smaller portions at the Dollar Tree. So I am going to walk you through 3 crafts, perfect for fall, perfect for a glamorous fall person or a farmhouse inspired person. I'm going to take you along, show you how I do it, and I'm not super crafty, but I try to be, and I try to create as much as I can because I find it soothing and relaxing. So go ahead and grab a cup of coffee or a cup of tea or even a glass of wine, and let's get to crafting.
Alright, so to make this first Dollar Tree craft, you need a pumpkin sign from the Dollar Tree, some cardstock or paper. They have these different metal signs at the Dollar Tree, and they're in a 3-pack, and they have 3 various words, such as welcome, harvest, and grateful. Twine, ribbon, and these are all from the Dollar Tree. Burlap leaves, more twine, E6000, a glue gun, wire cutters. So the first thing is you're going to remove everything on your pumpkin. So I took off the hanging rope and the leaves, and I'm going to trace my pumpkin on my cardstock and cut it out. Now you're going to lightly sand the top of your pumpkin. This had a risen surface from the glitter, and that is what I'm doing here. So I am cleaning the pumpkin and my area with a damp cloth just because I don't want any of the glitter to get into my Mod Podge. And I'm going to take the Mod Podge and paint the top of the pumpkin, place my cardstock or paper on top, and then repaint it with the Mod Podge. Now, while your pumpkin is drying, I did not put the paper or the Mod Podge on my stem. I chose to hot glue my stem by using the twine and wrapping it around. You can completely do this any way you want, but I thought it just gave that 3D dimensional look that I was going for. Now here I'm deciding what metal wording I want on my second Dollar Tree DIY pumpkin, and I was trying to go for the layered look, so I did decide to do a couple of these burlap leaves, and I'm using the wire cutters to remove the wire and using the hot glue gun to glue them on. I decided not on the second one to put the wording on it, but you can, just like the first one I made, and that is what I'm doing here. I'm finishing up by tying a bow around the pumpkin. I just feel like it gives that little farmhouse flair and a nice little touch. All right, moving on to my second Dollar Tree DIY. I found these 3 precious little pumpkins on a 3-pack, and I'm removing the stems and the clip at the bottom. And I'm taking white chalk paint because there was like brown speckles on it and I want it to be solid and neutral. So I'm painting those lightly with a paintbrush. I did find buttons around my house, and you can purchase Dollar Tree buttons for this cute, precious, vintage, glamorous Dollar Tree DIY. Now with a glue gun, I'm lightly dabbing the top of my pumpkins and placing my desired button on top. Try not to put too much, A, because you'll burn yourself, and B, it kind of melted the styrofoam, so you just want a little dab. Now, using Dollar Tree twine, I made little cute bows and I glued those on my pumpkins. This twine that I found is kind of like a buffalo check. They did have other colors like brown and red and green, so I did find that over in the Christmas area, so just an FYI. Now for my final DIY, I am using this little rectangular block sign, and I am using white, black chalk paint. I need paint brushes and a clear wax and a stencil that says apples 5 cents. You can freehand this, or I use my Cricut to do it. Now this sign wasn't ugly, it just wasn't my taste, and I wanted something a little bit more neutral and a little bit more farmhouse. And this sign is farmhouse, but I wanted it more to my liking. So what I did is I removed the wrapper and I lightly painted the top with the white chalk paint. I loved all the buffalo checks, so I left that. I just wanted to remove the top because I wanted it to say apples 5 cents. Once your sign is completely dry, and this was a couple hours later, I took my stencil and with a black Sharpie, or you can use a pencil, I traced out the wording that I wanted on my sign. You can also do this freehand if you have really nice writing. My writing is not super nice, so I love to use stencils when I get an opportunity. Now with your black chalk paint, you're going to paint your wording or your freehand words or your stencil words with black chalk paint. This is going to require a smaller paintbrush and a lot of patience. Now once everything is dry, you're going to lightly brush your clear wax on top just to kind of seal everything and prevent any chipping or things like that that happen through the years of loving on this precious rectangular sign.
Enjoyed these $3 Dollar Tree crafts. Like I said, they're super simple, easy, and affordable. If you love Dollar Tree craft videos, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Remember, if you don't want to miss any videos from me, to hit that subscribe button. And I do all kinds of videos, not just DIY videos, but cooking videos, cleaning videos, home interior, home design, and fashion and beauty and things of that nature. So if you enjoy videos like that, let me know by hitting that subscribe button, and I will try to make more videos for you in the future. And by the way, in the comments below, let me know what your favorite fall activity is, because I'm always looking for new ways to kind of celebrate fall. I love going to the pumpkin patch and apple orchard, but I also love just seeing homes decorated for the fall. I love to go and look at things like that and bake fall goodies. Is there something that you like to do that I didn't just say just now? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, I'll see you guys real soon.